Yo, what is up guys, Razor Affiliate here and welcome back to a new video on my channel. In today's tutorial I will show you how to sell your CS2 skins instantly and how to get real money. So let's get right into it. Okay guys, today we are on Skinplace. Skinplace is a site where you can sell your CS2 skins and get money instantly. As you can see, you can find a lot of stuff on this website. You can scroll down, you can get some free skins, you can get some free money, you can find YouTubers they work with, which is really cool. You can find partners, HLTV, Kinguin and more. You can find extension for Google Chrome and you can find stats of website, which is really cool. Over $8 million in transactions, over 500,000 skins sold. This is crazy guys, site is 100% legit. I will show you now how to sell your CS2 skin. So first things first, you need to connect your Steam account. When did you connect your Steam account? You need to press on sell skins. Now you need to choose skins from your inventory you wanna sell. For example, I'll choose this one. And on the hand right side you can find payout methods. You can find a lot of payout methods like Visa card, MasterCard, Kinguin, crypto and more. I prefer crypto, so I'll choose Ethereum. I need to enter Ethereum address and down below I need to enter promo code Razor Affiliate. Make sure to enter promo code Razor Affiliate guys to get an extra 3% on your first sale. Hit apply and hit receive money. In 3 to 10 minutes you will get real money on your wallet, which is really cool guys. Also you can find a lot of giveaways on this website. They doing huge giveaways. You can also press on weekly cashback. You can scroll down and you can find some rewards that you can claim. It's so easy guys, so make sure to join under promo code Razor Affiliate, sell your skins and get real money. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have enjoyed. If you have enjoyed, make sure to leave a like, subscribe and most importantly check out Skinplace. I'll be seeing you tomorrow in a new video. Bye.